set down, we're ready to apply our bilge coat to our inner stringer system. You'll notice we have the tops of the stringers taped off. That is where the bottom of our deck and our stringers will be mechanically bonded, and we don't want to compromise that with a layer of a coating in between. We're going to rely on the fiberglass bond along with our methaculite material.
Alright, if you remember up on the bow section, fur in there that was all rotted, placed that 2.5 chunk of Penske board. The completed structural stringer system to our 1979 Formula 23 Sportsman. Recap our drainage system. We have 2 drains. We have a drain there and a drain there. Both those drains run continuously underneath the subfloor. They're all ribbon glassed right to the hull, and those drains drain in to our sump pump. And you can see those 2 holes. Those are our drain pipes, which will then have bilge pump recessed this way for our anchor row and our forward hatch. Any water that does get in there, it's controlled. It's not just flowing underneath the subfloors for years of disgusting mold to build up. It's contained and it's controlled. Now we have a couple additional drains. Our limber drain from one compartment to another storage compartment. That drains through there and comes out right there. We'll dump into a sump pump. Now we did keep the area under our subfloor open. Just like all boats, they will generate condensation. We do want to get any of that condensation out of there. This is our fuel tank compartment, and again, it will generate condensation. And for that, we have installed a limber drain right there in our engine well to control water if ever breached in our engine compartment. There will be a plug installed there, which you basically would pull out at the end of the season. You put the boat in storage for any of that condensation. Get out of there. Stay tuned. Whole build later to be profiled on an upcoming episode of Making It Metan.